What's up, guys? Happy Monday morning. We are out here in Stone Mountain. We're going to be in Stone Mountain quite most of the day because we have a job that we're doing now. Then I'm going to get Tavares set up. I'm about to go do 2 more consultations in Stone Mountain, and then after this we got to go to a repeat client. We did his hardwood floors about a month ago. He was so happy. He wants us to come back and do some stone tile cleaning. So anyway, guys, we're out here in Stone Mountain. Never came out here to look at this project. The client booked from pictures and verbal information. So we got about 900 square feet, screen and recoat, 250 a square foot. It is a brand new floor, and I'm gonna show you guys why we're screen and recoating. So let me flip this around. All right, guys, so again, September the 15th on a Monday. We have a busy schedule this week already. I've already booked 2 new in-home consultations today, one for later this week and one for next week. Also had a few clients send me pictures. So anyway, guys, this is a engineered floor. It is brand new, but what we're going to be doing here, guys, is screen and recoat it. The reason why, I'm going to show you, I'm going to zoom in. You see right there, we can, still clean it, but you're gonna still have those dull areas because the reason why these floors come with a factory finish, and when they clean it and they're it's too aggressive, it'll start dulling down the factory finish. So in that case, just from experience, doing this, just like the one I went and did last week in Columbus, South Carolina, and I might be going to do another brand new floor for one of my colleagues in Memphis, Tennessee. Same thing, brand new floor. They tried to clean the glue and they messed up the floor. So what we're gonna do, guys, is this area right here, coming through here. Over here, Mr. Wayne is giving us some light here. This hallway, this room right here, beautiful floor. This room right here, and then this room right here. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and let Tavares get started. I'm gonna run off and do those 2 consultations right quick that are both in Stone Mountain, and then stay tuned. All right, guys, job well done. I just went and did 2 consultations. The first one I did, that looks good. And then what we did, we put another coat on it, put some better protection on this floor because they dulled that coating out. But I went and did a consultation, a floor that someone actually messed up, so they need it fixed. Oh yeah, so much better. All right, what you think, Mr. Wayne?
Good.
Looks good.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yes, sir. Nice shout out to Tavares. Did this job by himself. Nice, simple screen and recoat. Love these countertops. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. All right, guys. Well, we're going to head to South Fulton. We actually have a repeat client. We did his floors about a month ago. And he has us coming back doing the stone and the tile and grout, small job. But I like to take care of my repeat clients. And then, yeah. All right, guys. Job number 2 today. I'm just going to tie these 2 videos in together. This is my client, Chris. I screen and recoated one of his other houses not far from here. About 2.5, 3 years ago. He was so happy. Sorry, guys. He was so happy he had me come back a month ago, and my crew, we did these floors in here. Now we're back to just clean his stone floors because he's moving in. So let me show you guys. All right, so these are the floors we're about to do. New floors, just dirty. Okay, so just dirty. He has a lot of work going on right now. So we're gonna clean the kitchen, just clean it, buff it out. So these are the wood floors we did about 3 weeks ago. That's Chris right there. And then we're gonna do, so he's prepping to move in. These floors right here, some marble floors. Again, brand new floors. He just one of those clients who want to clean very thoroughly before moving in. We also did the stairs to the basement. Yo, we did all these wood floors, guys. Came out amazing. And then this marble right here. All right, guys, stay tuned. It's gonna do it. Floors like out came out great. Nice clean floors. Again, nothing over the top. Just clean them up really good. Got all that film and dirt off the floors. Quick little buffing. You can see I'm walking on it. Had a bunch of little glue in this area. We just use sandpaper and little razors to get it off. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Now we just clean and buff this one right here. Oh, nice. And this right here. All right, guys. See you in the next one.